To quit smoking is a battle for many people. But what if I tell you there is a way which makes your journey easier? Let me introduce you to NRT, nicotine replacement therapy, where it is a stepping stone for a smoke-free life. Why quitting smoking is so hard? It is not just about your willpower. Nicotine is a sneaky chemical. It hooks your brain and it makes you feel it is impossible to ignore, which create cravings for you. NRT gives you enough nicotine to ease your cravings, but without any harmful substance which is seen in the cigarettes. Here is where the topic grows its interest. NRT is not one size fit all. Are you a gum chewer? Or you may prefer discreet patches, the nozzle spray, which gives you even more rapid relief. It depends on you and your lifestyle, which you would like to prefer. Here is a little secret. NRT works best with a paired plan. So, set your quit date and track your progress. Do not hesitate to combine NRT products like patches while you are in a daily day-to-day work, and if in need of sudden urge, you may use chewing gums, nicotine gums. But wait, here is what you need to know more about. NRT is not for everyone. Pregnant, breastfeeding, or a person with a medical condition need to consult their doctors first. NRT is a short-term aid which is not a permanent solution. The goal of NRT is simple to freedom. Freedom from nicotine, freedom to breathe easier, freedom to live longer. It is not a overnight miracle. It is a proven way to reclaim your health by patience. So, are you ready to take the first step? Then NRT or nicotine replacement therapy will be the key to unlock your health. So finally, I'm ending my video telling you that make the world smoke free by implanting some new ideas by using NRTs so that others breathe will also be healthier. So I will see you in the next video with a very much new topic. Thank you. Have a nice day.